day, my love, and welcome to this guided prayer for healing of your body and healing of your mind, asking God or the universe for good health. So sit or lie down and then close your beautiful eyes. Now simply listen to this guided prayer for healing and let the words sink deep into your heart. Thank you. Thank you for my amazing body. My strong body. My resilient body. And my healthy body. Thank you for boosting my immune system so that no illness can live inside of me. Because my inner environment is built of positive energy, universal energy, and godly energy. And this energy keeps my body healthy. It keeps my mind healthy. And it keeps my soul healthy. Thank you. Thank you for cleansing my body with each breath I take. As I breathe in divine healing, and breathe out pollution. Letting go of toxic energies. And letting go of harmful energies. So that I can be strong, healthy, and happy. So as I breathe in, I am breathing in the light. And as I breathe out, I am breathing out the darkness. Recreating balance inside of me. And replacing negativity with positivity. So that my body and mind can return to a state of inner harmony. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the energy I need to restore my body and mind. I feel the divine love inside of me. And I feel the energy working inside of me. healing every part of my body and healing every cell in my body. I feel the strength return. I feel my body working to restore itself. I feel my mind regaining control. And I feel divine hands of love healing me. Thank you. Thank you for being by my side. Thank you for following me through this time of healing. And thank you for restoring my faith. I know healing is already happening. I know my body is already working. And I know I am healthy in both body and mind. So thank you. Thank you for healing me. Then take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Know that healing is on its way and give your body the right positive environment to help it recover faster. Remember that meditation should be used together with any other treatment and not replace medical or therapeutic treatment. But creating a healthy inner environment can help recreate balance inside of you and reduce stress so that healing can take place. So continue with this guided meditation to help you find inner peace in a stressful situation. Namaste.